Moonlight Engineering Company, 2 Kumarpara Road, Rajpur, Kolkata 149, was inspired by a magnificent mission of Acharya Prafulla Chandra Roy's boosting Bengali youth. Sri D.P. Niyogi, our pioneer, started a business in as early as 1971 for repairing of fuel dispensing pumps for the oil companies. But in course of dynamic advancement as a service cum solution provider to all oil companies, he felt the necessity of supplying quality spares within a minimum time, which was lacked by the overseas companies in one hand and local companies' products were not up to the mark on the other at that time. The equipments mentioned in this particular system is angular check valve, PV valve, standard nozzle, autocut nozzle, fill cup coupling male and female, volumetric meter, plastic to oil equipment. Municipality solid waste comprises of biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. In the non-biodegradable section, plastic plays an important part. Normally, plastic less than 40 micron cannot be disposed, utilized or reutilized in any case. So, to decompose plastic, it takes more than 700 years and to convert it into inert material. Niyogi brand plastic to oil generating equipment has been developed to convert waste plastic to oil, which is a fuel oil. In this particular system, we have got a reactor which is SS anaerobic digestion chamber. It increases the temperature from ambient to a maximum of 380 to 400 degrees centigrade in the anaerobic reacting vessel. After it is raised to a temperature of between 320 and 370, oil flows down from the condensing unit and which is being collected at the bottom of the stick. This oil can be utilized as a fuel oil for burning of boilers, annealing furnaces, forging units, tea industries, beverage industries and all industries utilizing heat as an oil-fired fuel system. Waste plastic has to be shredded and cleaned and dried before it is fed to the anaerobic digestion system. Anaerobic digestion takes place in absence of oxygen, and that's how initially plastic is converted to the melting liquid. Plastic becomes a molten plastic at a temperature between 160 and 170 degrees centigrade, and then this plastic is vaporized and it is converted to oil after condensation by a pipe condenser and a tubular condenser which flows down the oil system. Whatever you are seeing in the photograph is the actual photograph of what we have received or adopted in our plant scale module, our factory in Kumarpara Road.